Hello everyone! We would like to introduce an essential component of any installation in hazardous environments. MAXIMUS MBX is a communication box designed to be integrated exclusively with one or more IP or analog cameras from Videotec's MAXIMUS range. MBX is not just a simple explosion-proof junction box. On the contrary, it is much more, being already certified with everything you need for a state-of-the-art installation. It already includes an Ethernet switch with 4 channels, 3 RJ45 ports, 1 SFP slot for fiber optic connection, 2 bypass for analog video signals with BNC connectors, and 2 bypass for I/O signals, and a built-in power supply available in 230, 120 and 24-volt AC versions. This device can be connected to a 24-volt AC powered PTZ and its washing kit, or to 2 fixed cameras and their washing kits. MBX has been designed in order to allow easy access to cables, making connections effortless. MAXIMUS MBX is the complete and competitive solution for professional installation of Videotec's MAXIMUS explosion-proof products.